more than 120 light-years away from Earth. A distant planet circles a small red dwarf star. For years, it was just another entry in astronomical catalogs. But recently, scientists noticed something unusual. New observations revealed atmospheric signals, unlike anything expected. The planet's name is K2-18b, and it has become one of the most discussed worlds in astronomy. K2-18b was first discovered in 2015, using data collected by NASA's Kepler Space Telescope. Astronomers identified it as an exoplanet orbiting a red dwarf star. At first, it seemed like one of many distant worlds, but later observations suggested something far more interesting. This planet might possess conditions suitable for life. K2-18b is located approximately 124 light-years from Earth, in the constellation Leo. Although that distance sounds enormous, astronomically it is relatively close enough for advanced telescopes to study. Scientists quickly recognized it as an important target, a possible window into another habitable world. K2-18b is not another Earth. It is much larger and more massive. Scientists classify it as a sub-Neptune world, a category absent from our solar system. Its environment could be unlike anything we know, and that makes it incredibly valuable to science. Everything changed when the James Webb Space Telescope began observing K2-18b. Its advanced instruments can analyze planetary atmospheres by studying starlight passing through atmospheric gases. Scientists can identify chemical compounds, and what Webb discovered shocked many researchers. The planet's atmosphere appeared unusually complex. One of the first major findings was water vapor. Evidence suggested that water exists in the atmosphere. This immediately increased scientific interest, because water is considered essential for life as we know it. The discovery attracted worldwide attention and raised exciting new possibilities. Some researchers proposed a fascinating idea. K2-18b might be a Hycean world, a planet covered by a vast global ocean, protected beneath a hydrogen-rich atmosphere. Such worlds could potentially support life, even if they are very different from Earth. Scientists continued studying atmospheric data, searching for additional chemical signatures. Among the detected compounds were methane and carbon dioxide, both important molecules in planetary science. Their presence suggested active atmospheric processes, but one possible signal caused the greatest excitement. Researchers identified a potential trace of dimethyl sulfide, known as DMS. On Earth, DMS is primarily produced by living organisms, especially microscopic marine life. Its possible detection sparked enormous interest. Could K2-18b be showing signs of biology? News of the discovery spread quickly. Headlines suggested possible signs of life. Scientists, journalists, and the public became fascinated. Could humanity finally be seeing evidence beyond Earth? The excitement was understandable, but researchers urged caution. Astronomers emphasized an important principle. Extraordinary claims require extraordinary evidence. The signal was still weak, and further observations were necessary. No conclusion could be considered final. The investigation had only begun. Not all researchers agreed with the interpretation. Some believed the signal was genuine. Others questioned whether the data was strong enough. Alternative explanations remained possible. Scientific debate intensified. As experts carefully examined the evidence, scientists considered non-biological explanations. Could unknown chemical reactions produce the signal? Could atmospheric conditions mimic biological signatures? Nature often surprises researchers, and many mysteries have natural explanations. K2-18b may be no exception. A biosignature is not proof of life. It is simply a clue, a chemical or phenomenon that may indicate biology. Scientists must rule out all alternative explanations before making any extraordinary claims. This process can take years. K2-18b remains incredibly far away. No spacecraft has ever visited it. Everything scientists know comes from tiny amounts of light, collected by powerful telescopes. This makes every observation challenging and every conclusion uncertain. Researchers have proposed several possibilities. The planet could possess a deep global ocean, or layers of dense atmosphere. Perhaps there is no solid surface at all. Different models produce different outcomes. The true nature of K2-18b remains unknown. If K2-18b is a Hycean planet, life would likely differ dramatically from Earth. Simple microorganisms might survive in warm oceans, protected beneath thick atmospheric layers. Such life would be difficult to detect, yet not impossible. Methane was another important discovery. On Earth, methane can be produced biologically, but it can also form through geological processes. Scientists must determine its origin. This is one reason the mystery continues. Every clue raises new questions. The James Webb Space Telescope continues observing K2-18b. Each new data set improves accuracy. Researchers compare results from multiple instruments, looking for consistency and searching for hidden details. The investigation remains active. Even if no life exists there, K2-18b is scientifically important. It represents a type of planet absent from our solar system. Studying it helps us understand planetary diversity and the possibilities throughout the galaxy. Its value goes beyond biology. K2-18b is not alone. Thousands of exoplanets have been discovered. Many may possess atmospheres and oceans. Future telescopes will examine them in detail. Each new world adds another piece to the puzzle of life in the universe. Researchers are searching for stronger biosignatures, multiple chemical indicators appearing together, patterns difficult to explain naturally, evidence that survives scientific scrutiny. Until then, caution remains essential. Science moves carefully, whether the signal proves biological or not. K2-18b marks a milestone. Humanity can now analyze atmospheres on distant worlds, a capability unimaginable a generation ago. The search has entered a new era, and discoveries are accelerating. If life exists on K2-18b, what form might it take? Could oceans harbor microscopic ecosystems? Could biology evolve under entirely different conditions? Or is the signal simply chemistry? The answer remains hidden. For now, K2-18b remains one of the most intriguing planets ever discovered. A world wrapped in mystery, observed only through distant starlight. Scientists continue searching for answers, and somewhere beyond our reach, a strange planet waits to reveal its secrets.